an employee or still that guy looking for a way to earn more money online. So today, I will be showing you how to make money online. Even while sleeping, the money keeps rolling into your bank account. You can even earn more than hundreds of dollars a day, depending on how dedicated you are, and all these steps are all done at your leisure time and from the comfort of your home. Because making money online is really cool. You can still be a full-time worker and still make some few free cash online, or you can still make it a full-time business if you so wish. So I'm going to be teaching you all the step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online, and will also be showing all the registration process from start to finish. I know there are lots of people out there that would tell you to pay some couples of dollars, maybe like $500 or more to teach you these steps, but I won't be collecting or charging you guys for any fee. This complete way of making money online that I will be teaching you today is completely free. So all I want you to do is to grab a pen and a paper and watch this video to the end, because the number 5 point is very important, and subscribe to this channel, then turn on your notification icon so that you will be notified whenever any ways of making money video or tutorial has been released. So let's get started. As we all know, we now live in a more modern world, where almost everything are done on the internet, and this is indeed a great way to make an income from it. You don't need to be a computer guru to do this. As far as you have any basic knowledge of the computer, you are good to go. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. 1. Creating an online tutorial. If you are a professional teacher, or even if not professional, you know you have that skills of talking to people in a way they would understand, then start online teaching from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world as far as you have an internet connection. There are so many websites that allows you to sell your course to thousands and millions of people out there. Examples are Udemy, Thrive Themes, ThinkFic, Amazon, and so many other platforms out there. All you need to do is just to record yourself while teaching about a particular topic. You can choose any topic you like, then open these websites like Udemy and others, then register for it, and registration are all free, then upload your courses. This can really make you some cool cash in a lifetime. All you just need is just to put out the work once and enjoy the profits after uploading it online. You get paid once any student buys or read your course. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is another easy way to make money online by promoting other people's product and referring people to buy a particular product. I know you might be saying, I don't even have or know what to promote, so what do I do? Or how can I even meet the producers of these products? It's so super easy. You can just log on to Amazon Affiliate Marketing or ClickBank. Registration are all free. Just register and click on any product you would like to promote, then a referrer code will be given to you. All you just need to do is to paste that code on any of your traffic sources, maybe your Facebook page, blogs, Instagram page, and lots more. So once anybody click on it and purchase those items, you will receive from 20 to 60% commission of the money it's been sold, and will be paid to you either by PayPal, bank transfer, or check, depends on the way you prefer to receive your money. 3. Sell photograph online. All you need to do is just keep on taking good quality pictures, even with your phone, like nature, events, craft, or any type of picture you can capture. Then log on Shutterstock.com and register for free, then upload the picture. Whenever people purchase the picture, Shutterstock pays you your own commission. You don't have to create a website or find customers. Shutterstock will do all the work. Just continue upload pictures and continuously smiling to the bank. 4. Work as a freelancer. All you need to do is to log on to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. This site enables you to work as a freelancer from the comfort of your home. Businesses and individuals post services on these sites every single day that they will like to outsource, such as video editing, programming, writing of an article, web designing, logo making, coding, app developing, graphics design, and lots more. All you need is just to have any of all these computer skills, and you are good to go. and you will make tons of money once you complete any task, and it's also a good way to have connection with high-quality companies if you really have good skills. 5. Blogging. If you have passion in writing, then blogging is for you. All you need to do is just to start up your own blog. You can decide to write about any niche, depending on the niche you are passionate about. Examples include lifestyle, food and nutrition, news, etc. to your blog. You can create your own blog on blogger.com or WordPress. So once you have consistent readers on your blog, you then sign up for Google AdSense. So Google will automatically place ads on your blog, so you get paid from any ads placed on your blog, and Google will pay every month depending on how many people visits your site, and you will earn this money for a lifetime. As far as people keep reading your content, you will keep on making money. Do make sure to give this 5-step a try and start to make money instantly, and also remember to send this tutorial video to your friends and family so that others can also benefit from these ways of making money online. And remember to subscribe to Lupa TV and click on the notification button so that I will notify you once I upload any tutorial videos of making money online. And write down your questions or contribution on the comment section. I and my team will definitely try to respond to all comments.